Khulumela phezulu.
And her name is Esther Grove. He's looking after 8 orphans. And their parents are passed away all. So she's the one looking after the children. She survives from selling these vegetables.
And how much does she make a month?
Sometimes 5 rand. It depends
On the situation.
situation.
And sometimes $10 a month.
Yes.
And she lives with 8 children.
Yes, 8 children.
Okay. And these 8 children live in this one room.
Yes.
Can we see the room?
So they don't have electricity, so it's a little dark.
Yes. They don't have electricity because she doesn't have the money, so it's very dark. All these 8 children and their grandmother, so 9 people, live in this one room with this one bed and sleep on the floor.
Yes.
They have nothing. And this here,
This is where
and they don't have a kitchen. This is where they cook
Yes.
outside for 9 people.
Yes.
Okay.
Wow.